In the back, you have a stand, a base, a motor, a laminated piece of paper with a parrot and a cage, a AA size battery case for 2 batteries, a piece of hard paper with a holes here. What you need is also scotch tape, 2 AA size battery, and a needle. Okay, first let's fix the base and the stand. Right? Put the motor here, clip it on. The base, you can actually use a double-sided tape to tape it to the you can actually tape the battery case to the double-sided tape, but for this hands-on we are not going to do that. Okay, this is the slightly more difficult part. This paper with the hole, slot it in this way, right? So the hole is covered by the laminated piece of paper, this way. Right, use a scotch tape and tape it up. Like this. Poke the hole here. Okay. Then what you need to do is slot the spindle into the hole. Okay. That's it. Okay. Insert the batteries into the battery case. And what you need now is to connect the 2 terminals across the battery. Now you can see a bird inside the cage.